How to restrict group chat in Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick way to restrict group chat in Messenger. To do so, launch Messenger app on your device. Make sure to update and sign in or log in to your particular account on Messenger. Select the group chat that you want to restrict on Messenger. Suppose if the friends is the group chat that I want to restrict in Messenger, simply tap and hold the particular group chat. As you can see here, the different kinds of options are here, but there is no any option to restrict group chat in Messenger because Messenger does not allow us to restrict any group chat in Messenger. Simply, we can either mute this group chat so that we don't get any kind of notification, either that's group call or group chat messages in Messenger. We can tap on mute and we can easily select mute message and call notification if you wish to. If you don't want, then you can also mute messages notifications only or mute call notifications only. So let's choose mute calls as well as message notification and tap OK button. Here you need to select the duration. So let's select until I change it so that I can permanently turn off the group chats, messages, or chat calls notifications in Messenger. You can either ignore this group as well. So let's tap ignore. So ignore a group chat to move it to the archive folders and stop notification for new messages. So let's tap ignore as well so that we don't get any kinds of notification from this, and it has also been removed from the chat page. So that is how we can easily restrict group chat in Messenger. I hope this video worked. If this video was helpful, then hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.